Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So we're working on a 3-pass filler. That's my first pass. And I got 2 more to go, fam. Put the light on. Y'all can see this pretty good. About a 1/4 inch weld. So the goal is to do a 3-pass filler. If you can do where your first filler, ain't no undercut, and then at the bottom, that's what you want. Now I'm gonna tackle in my second pass, but I'm not gonna run it all the way through because I want the steps to be shown that you have to take. All right, let's go. So we're only running half of this formula so that way they can see the 4 steps. We're gonna leave this one up as an example so they'll know how to tie it in. And you wanna try to be able to do a nice 1/4 inch weld and a 3/8 weld majority of the times with this Flux core. But you have to stay consistent. It's all about the travel speed. And do you a couple dry runs, making sure you can actually do it. So you get took off. You ready? And that's it. Put it up, let y'all check it out. But in most shops, when they're dealing with the Flux core, it's gonna be 1 pass, 3-pass fillers, unless it's a multiple pass joint where you have to do multiple passes on a 1 inch or 2 inch coupon or 2 inch plate that may have been beveled and sliced back together. So this is a common use for the Flux core. So you're gonna either do 1 pass or you would do the 3 pass. And that's what you need, fam. That's what you're looking for. If you can accomplish this, you good. Hold on.